Well, it's been 9 years since we put on the single-ply PVC roofing material on our mid-century modern home with nearly a flat roof, about a 1 to 12 slope. And after 9 years, we are very happy. Since I did the blog post back in 2015 on putting on the PVC white roofing system, a lot of people have contacted me and said, what do the neighbors think about this white color? Well, our roof does not pitch towards the street, so you really can't see the white PVC reflective quality, except maybe on one of the side roads coming around. But what I tell people is that once you get your electricity bill, you will not care what the neighbors think, because you will be saving so much on electrical costs during the summer in California because your air conditioner won't be running as much. Even after 9 years, it's not a bright white, it's kind of diminished. It still has a high reflective value and keeps our electrical costs very low. We have approximately 1750 square foot home. We got a carport, so it's not real big. It's not a real big home, but we realized we could feel how much cooler the home was through the spring and into the summer. Now, once the outside air temperature gets real warm, you have to run the air conditioner, but it really keeps the inside temperature low. And of course, we don't have an attic. We just have about 6 inches between the plywood underneath this and the wallboard on the ceiling. So heat can go straight into it. And it has been, if nothing else, a real energy saver and money saver for us as well. I am up on the roof every year, usually in the fall, to clean off leaves, and this redwood tree has really gotten large, dumps a lot of its redwood needles, brushes on top of the PVC. It's never busted through it, but when the rain comes, it just sheets right off down into the gutter system, which that's a whole other mess. The gutter systems just don't work with redwood needles and cedar needles, pine tree needles. I do notice that the areas that are not directly over the house, where there is heat, this is the overhang and over the carport, it stays a little bit dirtier, I guess probably because it's a little bit wetter. It doesn't evaporate off because it doesn't have the heat from the house. So we just have to kind of, I see that, but it doesn't seem to be any problem. All the seams are holding together very, very well. So it is really holding up. This is, I want to call it a 50 mil. It was a 25-year warranty. And so we're, 9 years into it, and I can easily see it going 25 years. I'd probably go possibly with a little bit heavier mill thickness next time. But even this thinnest that was available at the time has done a great job. So you can see how it's nice and white, and then we get to the overhang and we get those little spots, dirt spots. This is over the carport, and you can see it's a little bit dirtier than other areas of the house roof line, but it has done very well. The IB roof system has lived up to its promise to provide us with a waterproof system. Now, we did have one problem right after the PVC roofing system was installed. This was the repair here. After it was installed, something just didn't get sealed, and I noticed a bulge on the outside of the roof line here, and it looked like a water balloon. And sure enough, somehow water had gotten in this trough and kind of filled up the bottom. The installer came out, patched it, and we haven't had a problem since. My concern with any roofing is, the flashing around some of the vents, our chimney over there, but it's all welded together, heat welded, I guess, and has done very well. No issues around any of the vents or any of the skylights. This is one of the air vents that they put in to make sure that any moisture that gets underneath the IB PVC roofing system can be vented off, nice and secure, no problems whatsoever. The overhang, the PVC overhang, does get a little dirty from the water that kind of slops over. So if you have, white trim on your house, no one's going to really notice it. Doesn't stick out to us. This is one of the areas where they weld it together on the seams, and that has held very well with no problems. Full sun in California's Central Valley. Yeah, if you are looking to re-roof your house, there's a variety of options out there. We looked at all of them, the foam, going back with a composite, shingles. This was the least expensive, and also what we have found also the most energy efficient roofing system for our mid-century modern home with a very nearly flat roof, and we've been happy. And like I said, we'll do it again. Maybe in 10 years it'll be time for a new roof, and we'll certainly go back with the PVC white reflective roof on this mid-century modern home. Not only does the PVC single ply make a great roofing material, but we have this remnant here, and we have used it as a weed barrier in the backyard, and it's been doing a great job. Black side up, gets dirty, you don't even notice it's here. Keeping down the weeds,